Hey, what's up you guys? Hope you're doing well. This is Irfan here, and in this video I'm gonna show you exactly how literally anyone can make money in this crypto market completely hands off. So what I mean by hands off is that you don't have to learn any strategy or watch all these YouTube videos, buy courses to just make something happen in the crypto market. Because there's one tool that that's built by one of the most advanced traders. I mean, there are a couple of traders that are really advanced, and they actually implemented all their strategies into one indicator on TradingView that he can get buy and sell signals effortlessly. So it means you don't have to analyze the market. You just get a notification when to buy, when to sell, where to enter, where to exit. Everything will be given to you by this tool. So it means that you don't have to know basically anything. So you just need to know how to enter the market, put the parameters, your stop loss, your take profit, and just leave it going like that. I'm going to show you exactly how it happens. But before that, I highly recommend you to join our Telegram channel, which you can see the link down in the description below. And you can literally go to hashtag CrownX, which is the name of this indicator. And you can see all the results that have been generated by our team or the clients that are using this system. So this is one of the videos. That's how it generates signals. I'm going to show you live as well that how much we're in profit, how much one pair can potentially make, how to enter the market. This is very, very straightforward. All you need is an exchange account, a TradingView account, and access to the license of CrownX. So let me show you. So when you go to CrownX, okay, so when you actually go to TradingView, you can literally go to, once we give you access, and you can apply to your chart, and we'll give you all the pairs that you can use, all the tutorials, whatever you need to do. Everything is shared with you in the Telegram channel. Once you join, you'll see everything, how easy it is. For example, I'm on Hype USDT pair right now, and you can see the signals here. So for example, we have a long signal here, which hit take profit. There's one short position that hit a stop loss. You know, it doesn't repaint whatsoever. There's one TP, one stop loss, one TP, two TP, 3 TP, and you can see that since the beginning of October, today is October 26th, we're up 12.66% in profit, including the stop losses and take profits positions. So it gives you live data here. It doesn't like change by our team. It cannot even change because it calculates all the positions, and then it'll see how many stop losses we had, how many take profits we had, and it gives you the total, whether it's like negative or positive. Now we are up 12.66% on this pair. So if I change the pair to, for example, LDO, you see that here we are up 15.93%, including all the positions, whether we hit stop loss or take profit. And you can see that here. So there's one long position here, and then it exited here, one short position here, TP here, long TP, and we had long stop loss, long TP, long TP. It gives you like the blue line is the entry points, the red line is a stop loss, and the green line is your take profit. That's how easy it is. So once you do that, and at the end of the month, you're like, oh man, I grew my account by like 20-30% in total. Even if you don't take all the positions, you still get a lot of chances, a lot of opportunities to enter the market and make your profits, right? And that's what can happen with CrownX. So as I said, you can literally go to the channel, go to this hashtag and see everything for yourself. As I said, you only need 3 things: your exchange account, which we recommended one, and you can see the link in the description. If you're from US or some other countries, unfortunately it's not supported, but in general, it should be okay. It's one of the most reputable exchanges. You can do your research about them and you'll see how they are. And TradingView account is a premium account. It's not that expensive. And then access to CrownX. If you have any question, you can literally get in touch with us, or you can leave your comment below this video. I'll personally get back to you with your answer. And hopefully you are one of those people that get what they deserve from the crypto market. Plus, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee on this tool as well. So if it doesn't work for you, just simply ask for a refund and we'll give it to you. That's how confident we are about this system, and we know exactly how it performs and how it can make you money. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you crush it in the market, and let's get into it together.